Good morning. It's Wednesday, April 24th, about 6 a.m. Central Time. Overnight, the precious metals are softer after yesterday's continued liquidation, stop loss selling, and degrossing had reached a value zone of about $2,300 an ounce. Now, if this recovery is going to broaden, we need to see participation out of the miners and we need to see ETF inflows occur. I believe that'll happen here if you do see the U.S. equities continue to drive higher. Remember, we do have a lot more tech earnings coming out, and we had a strong bounce in Tesla yesterday. Bitcoin is also turning up higher. But one of the questions that I get from a lot of different traders out there are, where are the stop losses? Where are people going to reposition in the market? So if you look at the June gold contract, it's 2404 to about 2410. If we break above that level, all the short sellers will most likely exit their positions and then reposition for another drive higher, pushing gold futures back up to new contract and all-time highs. Now, the critical level of support is going to remain right below that value zone, so we're going to have to see if it gets tested. It's the 22.99 down to 22.94, and then the upward trend line in the sand is about 22.86. That's going to be your key level and critical level of support. On July silver, it's going to be 29.01 to about 29.07. That place, the short sellers will have to reverse their positions as well, believing that a momentum move up to about $30 would occur. If we could break through $30 to the upside, I think realistically $35 would be an easy obtainable target. However, remember, futures option trading involves risk of loss, so you can't bank it on there, but it just seems like that would be the next logical level. Now, your critical level of support here on the day that I'm going to be watching is 26.99. We saw that market quickly get gobbled up with new participants coming in. Remember, we need this rally to broaden out with new participants coming into the market, and that'll help lift prices higher. The bulls really want to see a move over $28. So if you look at that April 22nd candle where silver futures fell aggressively, you're going to want to see it chew into that candle and break out and close at the upper echelon of that candle. So equities have strong resistance at 51.30, and crude oil futures were quite strong yesterday. We saw the API inventory data come in showing another big drawdown here. So crude oil futures pushing back up to those upper levels. Remember, in the Middle East, there's no big flare-ups right now, but it's oftentimes calm before the storm. So you want to be positioning accordingly as well. If you got any questions, give me a call, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures and option trading does involve risk of loss, may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.